Today, let's break down what the UK Data Protection Act 2018 means for you, whether you're a user, advertiser, or admin. We'll look at your rights as a data subject, the responsibilities of the data controller, and how all of this directly impacts platforms like ours in the escorting niche. Let's get straight to the point with a brief intro to the law. The Data Protection Act 2018 came into force on May 23rd, replacing older legislation to align the UK with modern privacy standards. It works alongside the UK GDPR, setting clear rules for how personal data must be handled. In short, it protects your personal information from misuse, while also holding websites like ours accountable for how we collect, use, and store your data. Your rights as a user. Under the law, you have several important rights as a data subject. Let's go through them. First, the right to access. You can ask what personal data we hold about you, and we must respond within 30 days. Second, the right to correct. If any of your data is inaccurate or out of date, we must fix it without delay. Third, the right to erasure, also called the right to be forgotten. You can request that we delete your data unless we have a legal reason to keep it. Fourth, the right to restrict processing. You can ask us to temporarily stop using your data while an issue is being resolved. And finally, you have the right to be informed. That means we're required to tell you clearly and upfront why we collect data, what we do with it, and how long we keep it. No hidden policies. No confusing jargon. What we must do as a platform. As a data controller, Belina has legal duties too. We must be transparent by telling you exactly how your data is used. Accountable by keeping accurate records of how we process it. Secure by protecting your data with up-to-date systems and safeguards. If there's ever a data breach that could put your privacy at risk, we're required to inform both you and the authorities, usually within 72 hours. And if our platform processes sensitive data at scale, we appoint a Data Protection Officer, or DPO, to oversee everything related to privacy compliance. This is especially important in the escorting industry, where discretion and safety are top priorities. How this applies to Belina. Let's bring this down to real terms. Belina collects only the minimum amount of personal data needed to run the site, things like your display name, contact details, and listing preferences. We don't store anything we don't need. We tell you exactly what we collect, how long we keep it, and who it may be shared with. It's all in our privacy policy, clear, concise, and always available. If you ever want to update or delete your information, you can request it. No red tape, no delays. We also log and track all requests, so we can report on how quickly we respond. Our current average turnaround time is under 20 days. And yes, we test our systems regularly to prevent breaches, because your safety and trust come first. Why this matters? Let's be honest, privacy isn't just a legal requirement. In the escorting space, it's a lifeline. Discretion, consent, and control over your data aren't optional, they're essential. At Belina, we don't just follow the Data Protection Act because we have to. We follow it because it's the right thing to do. Our commitment to transparency and user rights is what sets us apart. To sum up, you have the right to control your personal data. We have the responsibility to protect it. And together, we keep the platform safe, respectful, and compliant. For more on our privacy practices, visit belina.co.uk. All our policies are easy to find, easy to read, and always up to date. Thank you for choosing a platform that puts privacy first.